yup matie ka bino la kelia ye
Sam's Crisip obengira mwera madano weng mare Uganda. Jami pa Sam's di mapol likine obero Crisps melayata, Crisps megonja, cookies, odi, berenge kemukene mapola ta. Nong jami pa Sam's Snacks e supermarket duju matilo baman. Sam's Snacks, noa pora memite.
Kumbe dong ichawa me yotkom wa mero nano lok matika kata kikono ichawa eni wa beki kero me wiye ne madon mati kati me ikien ping kadi bena no wan pe wa dakta kumbe lok matika kati ki Uganda Cancer Institute to la doro ne executive director makono tika wachini tuo me cancer pime nyum nyange matur tika a ki bot mon cho gitika Weyo pimo cancer pengo la penyen gidi penyen pingo cho Weyo pimo cancer ko betika winye maduong Uganda Cancer Institute tika wachini pi la kuri lifestyle medon ko bere down tikere down when no tik mutaka down when tiko duwa mutaka wara ke mutaka kai pe kere ne TV boda nyo ti taxi wot dong utwal kira chwana dong pere you teach you physical exercise any dong pere so I don't think lu gina down warning lifestyle diseases no onyo non-communicable diseases ikin mon iti wachi to cancer maduong iti chak breast cancer dong duong utwal pacho ki wachi cho no breast cancer ba par kari bena chak di pare kwed makatur makitim ti wachi cho tiki noti nongo bena breast cancer giti kan nongo cancer mamako kunyimge pacho tiyo maduong entopola kare cho kiti wai pekiti pime mona ya olo gichar gipime
gen mo ya oteko maro most of the health camps maki organizing may know imunyini katika temo cancer awareness ketelo campaign mano geared towards women may know ni kinero cancer mi ot nywal the cervical cancer kinero cancer mi chak entro cancer mokena mano biro polkar dan Weyo. Now, I think it's also the lack of information on your awareness, Moni Matini, Emma. The first time Machiaro kapime to just check for cancerous cells, amunyi kiwajini polcho no mirogu pime minyang kagipegi to cancer before they're the age of 40. Maru, that was the information maana no. And when I went to test, I was literally, I think about 20-something years. So I grew up knowing between 20 up to about 30 years or even 40 years, I should check on my health status where and then cancer mamaro dano to twale mamaro cho ken me wajani. And to know while that information ti wia angene jomo kana ti mabana pigingeyo awe mo myono gen gi chet gi pime kwede o we ko polka do duongo dano no dong going beyond the stages money and dano discovering ni getiki cancer ka yin pingeyo kenene ni ti kwede kirmai o mwa piera ngweni no dong it has outlived no do do dito changone nyo ti ko peko ne rawo bedo tek la ko lokko kono chemotherapy ki chet ke wa ki chet kono ki tim gena ngoni is also very expensive ke nero kometi made no jim weng dong ti ko ti matek the cost of living is kind of expensive rawo bedo tek yet du ken gang ma megwa do ngoma pier tek gena pier tek yeni pimo cancer I oyat chalo reproductive health marriage stops oyat mo mateo it's just about 10,000 aliwapa pm gen gemer their interest min yang ne inge yot komi is also part of their work ni dharma duo timongo dharma duo pime o we wati wachine peko mwa pier ngwen manu tiki tuo mano penge ngo mo kelo tuo ani chere oyat komedi chi pime we nge pim ka nge ni itiki gimon makelo ni cancerous cells yani ongwiri mo matiri makelo cancer. I'm here watching when I worked with the persons with albinism, Emma. Ke nero komge ma bere nero paji. Any small wound komge kago ngwenyo can turn out to be a cancerous problem. Chi polka arangeyo, chalo arangeyo ni cancer is a big problem, especially for the target group mana better teach kwet gini. Anthropology machalo an we have the melanin king organi. Ada amero mokone ni in a medical camp, we had a medical camp in Botway area, Mamegwa. In medical camp, Maki organizing, Kakwa Ikitika Pimu cancer. Cho when we on the cancer is an issue for women.
Pari lo kum skin cancer e poyo wia. Skin cancer berigena dana kumbeti cha kene icha ere twale ken mon lok me were ke kumbedi were no pedon ke were ma chan chan me wi ne ke kanba kunyo no mon dong tuja itu jigini me chera de ngo iremu ni mabe ero doctor di ne giwaje ne ka yene were skin ene pe bi no cancer ke kan cha kene ka chale no wana mo mano mir ke bari by skin it bit teko nyoka ke bar changi no tek piano skin no rep
rep pa del come ene wero chang pa vo bedo tek donc ka chang pa vo bedo tere vo ene romano other infections ma enone ene wero vo death it turns out into a cancerous wound ine neno jomo kan mano gitike wang vo madon mano po changi piem no gitike la kuri del come mano tio style mano peken yang ento amero wachini one wing amero berni wa bedni wa tie ento tuche ki yat where bed kwa I don't think is the right thing. You are beautiful the way you are and you are good enough.